If you want to learn how to make a store-bought corned beef into pastrami, stay tuned. Today, I'm going to give you the regular guy method.
A tribute to the American silhouette. Ladies and gentlemen, the regular guy look.
Which means it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, and it's going to end up delicious. No fancy spices, no overnight soaks. We're going to buy it, we're going to prep it, we're going to cook it, we're going to eat it. Let's go. Step 1. Grab a packaged corned beef from your grocery store and rinse it off with cold water. Pat it dry and put the spice pack that it came with off to the side. Step 2, spice it up. I used onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. If you think those spices are fancy, you're a hillbilly.
Well, hey, how y'all doing?
Let me know in the comments if there's anything I should add in. I'll answer any question that you put down there. And one more thing, don't add any salt. The corned beef's already got enough. Step 3, fuel up your grill. Today I'm using ZGrills cherry wood pellets. These are great pellets with great flavor that don't overpower the meat. Then turn your grill temp up to 270. Step 4, put a probe or a thermometer in the beef. And if you have the ability like I do with my ZGrill app and Wi-Fi grill, set your target internal temperature to 203. That's gonna be the temp that you're going for to have your meat be done nice and tender. Put the meat on the grill, fat side up. Then sit back for 3 to 4 hours until the internal temp reaches between 150 to 160. Step 5. When you do reach the 150 to 160 zone, take the meat off the grill and boost up your grill temp to 325. Bring the meat inside, put it in a tin tray, pour a can of low sodium beef broth, and then add enough water to cover the meat till about halfway up. Then grab the spice packet that you put to the side, and then add that to the broth and water mix. Step 6, cover the tray up with foil and put it back on the grill and wait for that internal temp to reach 203. Step 7, take it off and let it rest for 20 minutes. Cut it up and enjoy. This was really easy to make and my family loved it. The only thing that I would do different next time is make 2 of them, because like George Costanza in the Hamptons, there was a little shrinkage.
I was in the pool! I was in the pool!
If you think I left anything out, let me know. Like I said, I can answer all your questions in the comments.